Hey everybody, it's me Sissy. I'm back today with a little Dollar Tree haul, and I want to give a shout out to the kind people at Htvront. They sent me this great pack of 24 pack of 12 by 12 inch heat transfer vinyl. Some great colors in here. Let's see, nice vivid bright colors. But there's 24 sheets in here, so I am going to be making some HTV t-shirts for summer, so stay tuned for those. And thank you again to Htvront, and I'll let you know how I like it in the upcoming videos. But anyway, let's get to the Dollar Tree haul. I got my bag over here to the side. I'm still not able to get around so good, so I'm going to have to sit down and do this video. But I picked up the Make Memories Along the Way with a pretty little blue truck on it mat. These are gorgeous. I like to keep one of these on my counter to chop things on, or to put my chopping board on, and then I can just throw it in the sink. And then they have, Dollar Tree now has these peel and stick wallpaper. I thought this would be great for the floor in my dollhouse in some of the rooms, so I'm going to give that a try. And they have several different kinds. I don't know, this wouldn't be really a good value if you were trying to do a whole room, but a dollhouse, $1.25 for one sheet is kind of a good deal. And they've got the sunbeam lamps again. I love these lamps. It's a great little task light. I have them all in my craft room, over my Cricut, and over my, I use one over my sewing machine. I have one on my makeup table too, so I picked up another one just to have on hand. I just love these things. It's well worth $1.25 for a LED lamp, so I picked that one up. And I got a 3-in-1 light up stylus pen. It's a writing pen, a stylus, and a flashlight. So I'm going to put that in my purse and see how that works. And I just have a little assortment of stuff in here. I'm going to pull it out and pile it on the table here. This is the All Clear Electronic Wipes, lemon scented, to clean those screens on my phone and my screen of my car and the tablet and everything. I use it on the TV sometimes, but it seems like for a bigger area it gets streaky, but it does really good for your phone or things like that, or your tablet. So I'll pick that up. And there's, how many's in here? 30 wipes in there. And I got the cutest little dish towel. It says life is meant to be lived, with a mason jar little thing with the flowers in it. That was gorgeous. And I got a matching drying mat. And I also picked up the 2-pack of Microfiber Scrubbers to go with it. I use these in the little kitchenette in our office. I do have some at home too, but I usually pick them up at work for work. And then I got, y'all know I pick these up every time I'm in Dollar Tree. The Modus Basic Feminine Cleansing Wipes. I like to keep these when you want to keep clean, but don't flush them. But they're really good. And I saw they had a new thing. They have these alcohol-free disposable washcloths. And I got these to keep in my car. Here in the sunny south, it has been over 100 degrees for 2 weeks. And you are going to get really, really sweaty. I don't care how good your air conditioner is. So I keep these in my car, so when I go from one place to the other and I need a little freshen up, I have it available. And I picked up another one of the Crafter Square Iron-On Art. I got the butterfly this time. I don't know if you can see it, but I really love that other one. It worked really well. It was a heart. I put it on a black t-shirt, and it looks so good. So I think I'm going to try this one on a shirt, and I'm sure it'll work equally as well. So, and I'll let y'all see how I do. I'll do a video on how I do the transfer for this, because it was a little bit tricky, but I did get it to work. So y'all stay tuned for that. And I got the super soft microcloth driver's choice, and I'm sure these are great to use in your car to wash your car and everything. But what I use mine for is I dry my hair with this microfiber cloth. I just, when I wash it, I just squeeze my curls to kind of keep them in shape, and it dries it really fast. So that's what I use that for. And I do have them all over the house that I use for dusting and things like that. And let's see, I got the Global Beauty Care Exfoliating Foot Treatment Mask for those times when you can't run out and get a pedicure and everything's getting so expensive, so you got to do a little at-home self-care. So I picked that up. And I'm going to try this. Sometimes I have sinus headaches and things, but this is a lavender scented warming eye mask. It is self-warming. Enjoy up to 20 minutes of relaxation. So I'm gonna try it out and see if it works and how it feels, and I will let y'all know about that. And this is a great thing to get, the Sassy and Chic Shadow Switching Sponge. This is great. A little container has a sponge in it. You just rub your makeup brush on it and it cleans it right out, and you can switch colors. I have one of these already, but I've about worn it out, so I picked up another one. And here is another foot mask. This is the Be Pure Ultra Moisturizing Lavender Scented Foot Mask. So I love to use these things. I'll be sitting in here, I'll have a mask on my face and a mask on my hair and the feet and the hands, and I know it looks crazy, but it's nice to take care of yourself sometimes. So I picked that up. And then I've got the Voila basket bags. These are great if you're doing gift bags or a gift basket to put over it so things don't get dislodged, and you can kind of decorate it. It's kind of wrapped up but not wrapped up. So I picked up a couple of those. And it's a great buy, the hydrogen peroxide, the Swan brand. This is 32 fluid ounces for $1.25. It's good to have on hand. And I got 2 bottles of this St. Ives face mist. Spritz a little zing orange scent, and I have tried this out. This is great. I have a bottle in my car, when you get in the car, and to just keep, because I try not to wipe my hands on my face and rub all my makeup off, but I put a little spritz on this and it just cools you down. So, and then I picked up this little lens cleaning spray. You clean my glasses, or if you get a spot on a tablet or something that's not coming off, you can get a little extra squirt on your electronics cleaning wipes and clean it with that. And then I picked up 2 of these. I really love these. These are kind of feel like suede, and I have done these before and put the HTV vinyl on them. They were really great for that. You just have to be careful and not let your heat press get on your zipper because it will melt, but the vinyl sticks to these really good. So I picked up 2, one for me and one for Posey. So I'm gonna personalize those. And I got just 2 more things. I got another pack of the feminine cleansing wipes. These are the pink one. I don't know. It's just fresh scent. I like those. And then I got 2 of these facial brushes. This is great when you use your facial cleanser at night or in the morning to get in all the little nooks and crannies and get all that makeup off. But that is it, y'all. That is everything from my Dollar Tree haul. Y'all stay tuned. I have a lot of craft videos coming up, and I will be doing the giveaway of the Dossier perfume. I think that video will go up right after this one. So remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.